Oh my God. Oh, oh, oh. It feel like shit, they won't tell us what to never hear before. To Baba Day, yeah. Plus, solely Baba Day.
Animal for sale. I beg, go the house. Bros, na me, I beg.
What is that?
As I pass, I see this animal for sale.
Yeah, anyone you want. Which one you want back?
He did.
He did. Come on, carry.
Okay, very good. Thank you very much.
I you, bros.
Thank you.
Come wait to go past there.
All right.
Wow. Why is it, bros? Bro, okay. Smile yourself, okay? Say the family one back.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
Thank God. No, guy, I don't fit sit down for this one. I come the right place. As I dey pass us now, I see animal for sale. I beg, you get monkey.
Now we dey charge of monkey now.
Oh,
and the department of monkey with this one.
Good.
You see that one? Wait, 67 million naira.
Yes.
Let me sell her now.
Oh, thank you. I beg, I need monkey now.
You need monkey?
Yes. Which one? The mess.
I'll show you. You see this one? Although this one, why don't book for this one?
Which one?
This one. So why don't book for this one?
Okay, give me the one where they never book for. The one they never book. I need monkey.
You see this one? This one are from Asia. Neko don't book for this one. They say they want use this one take money from Neko office. So we not be sell this one. But maybe I check one. We be say for this one they be done the price. But me I book at that for you. But it costs so the people always say it costs.
Wait. I don't need all this monkey again. Monkey too small. If monkey fees 70 million naira.
Yes.
Oga, as I did now, I need babu.
Now babu you want?
Give me babu. Do you get big belly?
No problem.
I hope you get that one. Give me babu.
Our babu na money they use it.
I need babu.
Now what you trade them for with that one?
I need babu. I must make money for this country.
See this babu?
I need babu.
You know they smell.
Give me babu.
Once you just tell us say go thief na be work.
Oga, now this one me dey find.
But it costs. Now you be the money.
Any amount, Oga.
No.
Give me.
Check.
I need babu.
Wait, may I check.
If monkey fees still 70 million naira, I need babu. Give me babu.
So far you get money. Now you be.
Oga, I go pay you any amount.
You sure say you get money so?
Now money they dey find money.
You sure?
Now money they dey find money.
Don't say later you can't tell me say money not there.
Wait, I hope this babu go fit carry wetin pass 70 million for me.
That babu fit. Will you wait now? May I check. No wahala. Wait. Babu.
Everything.
So next week Monday. You come.
No wahala.
You understand?
No wahala.
Everywhere good eh? You do well.
Okay. Thank you very much. Over. I don't make this money.
No problem. Everywhere you go.
Customer.
Tell your guy say that babu. Make you not sell that.
Why will sell the babu? This babu everybody want your buy. The babu they trash he dey thief. Now he work. He thief.
Only God can judge you now. Another year has come. And now you want my vote once more.
Animal for everyone.
How far now? You just say rush now. We say judge now. What do you want now? Elephant. Which kind of elephant you get? We get Asia, we get Africa, we get Europe elephant. So I don't know the one we want. But one way they tip us na Europe elephant. Especially all those one we come from Italy and UK. They thief.
Italy near Swiss. I need the one for Italy.
For what bank, Abi?
I don't know.
We dey use the so I don't know the kind of one you need now. But whether not the big one or the small one, depends.
Oh my, you ask more than the big one.
No, you don't understand. We get the one with thief 10 million. We get the one with thief 20. We get 30. Like the one with Nigeria politician, they use one and 1 billion they thief. So I don't know the one we want to use.
Oh my, if you get the one where pass that one, give me.
You just say the money there because you see that snake where thief 36 million.
Yes.
Now me sell her. Because the woman not to get money, now only 5 million he pay me. That's why the thief that small money.
If you say my brother dey here, all come out. Now person recommend you to you.
So you mean that you get the money?
Oh, I bet show me.
You see this one This one a UK elephant. The least where this one fit thief are like 500 million. This one not they try. I make me not the quick use and not they recommend them for. But though you dey zoo. You don't understand, you dey there. This one now, this one are Italian elephant, not thief.
I need this one.
This one are your thief.
No, me don't ever see.
You say you need this one?
I need this one.
No problem. Now to me I check because be like say I dey hear when one of my helper they call First Bank today. Be like say na him First Bank wan use. So I don't know. May I check, sha. They don't book to First Bank. Don't book.
Oh man, no, you go change that.
First Bank don't.
Me na your own now.
I know say you my
Oh
own.
man, me na your
No, say
own.
you dey look First Bank logo, sha.
This
Not the elephant.
Oh no. Oh
When
man,
they use, they thief.
Oh man, you need to help me with this one.
Mo-
Help me.
Oh God,
Help
match
me
it,
with this one.
match it,
Help
match
me.
it.
Help me.
When you want use them?
Eh?
When you want use them?
I want use that this morning.
You want use them today?
Oh man,
But why you dey thief like this?
oh man, now winter my body the hot.
Okay.
Oh man, I want use that now.
This one are 80 million.
Oh man, I want use that now.
Okay. What be the name?
Put David.
David.
May resemble Igbo.
David. Italian elephant.
Oh man, you know what I need.
Okay. 50 million. No problem. Just give us your address. Our van will carry and come give you. May not come and say we don't distress you. You understand? Just give us your address.
Put via Caripota.
Via Carupota. Okay. Via Carupota. Now listen now.
Me know your carry near border, so they go your cross.
Okay, you carry and go to that. Hello, boy. Okay, everywhere good now.
Oh man, you think say we dey.
Border, that is Kiaso.
Oh man.
Kiaso. Everywhere good now.
You
So
invest.
you go make upfront 30 million payments.
Now,
So that now if you want make now, you make now. Or if we deliver now to your house, you don't make the.
Okay, oh man, no your make Tiffan come back now. We will just do everything.
You want me to do like that?
Oh man.
Because this is different. Maybe just trust them. They do their own thing. You understand? Maybe your Tiffan has it go in that country. But if you say more do like that, I'm say the payment have to increase. Instead of 50 million, it go be 120 million.
Oh
Say
man,
you.
I do it.
You dey okay like that?
You dey okay.
All right, 120 million. Everywhere good there, no problem. So we go deliver that to your house around 5 o'clock this evening.
Oh wow, no.
You do well. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
I agree to
all right, no
no.
problem. Everywhere good.
Easy level.
See business.
You may trust you, never write it there. Never way.
The people, my brother, my sister. See why you make all these people to they fight one another.